The list of typical issues with Kia Seltos is constrained and bounded. The subcompact SUV offers superior performance despite being built on a new platform and having only recently entered the market. As for now, the 2022 Seltos has only 5 owners' complaints, and the last year model received 133, although the majority of them are merely carryovers from the 2021 model year. Some new issues have been brought to the buyer's attention. Today we will talk about the most common Kia Seltos issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Transmission problems. Both model years of the Seltos have experienced transmission problems. Customers have complained that the transmission system overheats, which reduces its efficiency. The transmission as a result begins to slip and experiences a delay in shifting. Engine problems. Engine issues with the 2022 Kia Seltos are comparable to those of the first model year. Customers of the SUV have complained that both versions of the vehicle accidentally stall and lose power. When an inspection was done, it was typically determined that low oil levels were to blame for failure. As a result of the problem's widespread effects, Kia announced a recall. FCAS problems. Some buyers have reported that the forward collision avoidance system behaves erratically, which qualifies as a safety concern on the list of Kia Seltos flaws. The safety system does not detect a crash threat, alert the driver, or engage the emergency braking system. Although no injuries have yet been reported, Kia should work to resolve the problem as soon as possible. Theft alarm problems. The theft alarm on all Kia vehicles is reportedly the most widespread and frequent complaint. In the recent years, customers have complained that the theft alarm does not sound when the car is being broken into. As a result, several vehicles have been stolen. Despite the fact that this is an issue with the electric system, buyers cannot hold the brand fully responsible for their cars. Explosion of the sunroof. One unit of the 2022 Kia Seltos has experienced the sunroof explosion. Similar to some other vehicles from the manufacturer, the sunroof's glass pane reportedly broke into pieces without any cause or impact, according to the buyer. The 2021 iteration did not receive any complaints of this nature. But buyers of the first model year were troubled by windshield cracking, which again demonstrates poor construction. Wireless Apple CarPlay problems. The wireless CarPlay issue with the 2022 Seltos is brand new. Customers have reported that Apple CarPlay functionality can suddenly stop working without any warning. Even though there is only one complaint listed on the NHTSA website, reliable sources report that the issue has spread widely. Recalls. The Kia Seltos SUV's piston oil rings are the subject of its lone recall. The piston oil rings may not function as intended due to improper heat treatment, which could harm the engine. The result could be that the car stalls, which would make a collision more likely. A collision is more likely if oil leaks from the piston oil rings onto the exhaust system's components. The recall is said to have affected 147,249 units of the Kia Seltos and Kia Soul cars. Should you buy the Kia Seltos, which received an 80 points out of 100 on the JD Power Value scale, is a long-lasting investment. The SUV from Kia is a genuine offering that demonstrates its adaptability with its configuration choices. Despite its versatility and availability of 2 engines, it performs admirably in every area, and despite the fact that the ride quality could be better, the SUV consistently earns top marks for dependability. So, whether you choose a new model or leave a dealership in a used Seltos, it's likely that you won't regret your choice.